What's up YouTube? Crafting Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now in today's video, we're going to start tearing apart the Civic. Again. So yeah, unfortunately you did hear me right. Got to pull the Civic apart now. If you missed a couple videos ago where I took the Civic to the dyno, lost all the oil pressure, you know, the block is now buttered toast, so got to pull her apart. So yeah, I got a while to do it, just got to save up money. And in the meantime, I did get my garage kind of ready to, you know, be a better workstation over the winter. I got the garage door insulated, and then I also picked up a little buddy heater, or big buddy heater, I suppose. Just runs off propane, and then has like an auto shut off in case it gets too gassy in here, so I don't asphyxiate myself. So yeah, as much as it sucks that I got to pull the Civic back apart, it's actually not too bad, especially now that I got the garage all set up, so it's heated and I can stay comfortable. I actually don't mind pulling apart this car. It's still a lot of fun for me. And one thing that I did to kind of make sure that I keep track of everything I gotta do, and so I can keep the videos organized and everything, is I made a nice little check off list. So then together as we're making these videos, gotta go through, check everything off, kind of mark our progress. That kind of helps keep me motivated and keeps me organized as well. So, and another thing I was gonna mention is as I pull the Civic apart this time, I'm gonna be doing it more like montage or like vlog style, and less educational style. So it's gonna be more like heavy video editing, just kind of like a focus on making it easy on the eyes, you know, fun to watch. Whereas when I pulled it apart the first time, I kind of did it like educational style. So gonna be changing that up, but if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer them. Alrighty, so now that everybody's up to speed, I'm gonna set up the camera, jack up the car, and start working down that list. right, so I think that's enough working in the garage for today. Stayed nice and warm, as you can see. It's like 15 degrees outside and I'm working in here in a t-shirt, so that's awesome. But between the battery, turbo, downpipe, charge pipe, oil lines, radiator hoses, coolant, oil, and transmission fluid, we made a shit ton of progress today. So I'm super happy about that. And obviously we got a lot more stuff to do on that sheet there, so we're gonna continue working our way down. If you haven't already, I recommend you check out Gideon's videos on Friday. And then at the same time, if you haven't liked, shared, or subscribed, recommend you do that now. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. God damn, this stuff works good.